Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 7th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and don't blame me for anything. Palantir was down 18 cents, 1.08%, closed at 16.56. Post-market, we are down 1 cent. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So the close of the day does not tell us much. It only tells us when it closed, but it does not tell us how the day went. This is not a good-looking candle. This is a red candle. That's one strike right there. And then we had the pull up. So the stock tried to go up, but then there were so much selling pressure that the stock came back down lower than it opened. So having a longer wick here at the top than at the bottom is another strike. I'm looking for a third strike to say we are out, but I cannot think of one. So let's go see the 1 hour chart. Okay, so we opened here. Look at this. Nice candle, and it seemed like we were going 17.13 and then came way back down here. Nice volume on this first candle. So some people are accumulating on the first hour of the day. Same thing here, but that's not enough. There's more selling pressure that the stock is going down. So we basically went sideways and went down a little bit. What can I say? This is all of the indicators indicate that this is bearish. I don't see an indication for the stock to go up anytime soon. It's bombs away. This is going down. Get out from below because you might be hit by something from above. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. I will do my special request video a little bit later tonight. It won't come out as fast as my Tesla and Palantir video, but stay tuned. It is going to come out tonight. Everybody can watch it. Everybody can watch the special request video, but only my members, my YouTube members. So you should see a subscribe button. You click on the subscribe button and then you see it, join. So you click on the join button and this is where you can become a member and then you can suggest stocks for my special request analysis. So thank you very much. I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk on Sunday for my members also. And if not, we are going to talk on Monday. I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.